So I like say, we and them up and down, cook pot, nothing like that. Me just fly in, see them, youth them, show them love.
I was even hearing like Phantom Major talk and saying about how it's Europe and them places. It's not even in Jamaica. They're playing the reggae too much and things like that.
No,
So
that's true. What Phantom is saying is true. But since of lately, honestly speaking, it a create a buzz with this rhythm here, with the 2Time Riddim. Honestly, I don't know, as I said, the truth is the truth. You have a lot of people that are afraid to talk the truth. I'm not one of them people there. Well, I'm not afraid to say, yo, this youth here, Khago, it make the 2Time Riddim get popular for real. But me I say, if the Lord God Almighty build the house, just keep it that way. They don't corrupt nothing. You see me I say? But for real, it a go on now, it a get a little buzz because of the 2Time Riddim.